Welcome to DXtrade, the cutting-edge multi-asset trading platform built for retail and professional traders, offering advanced charting, lightning-fast execution, and a sleek, intuitive interface. In this video, we will take a look at watch lists. Like any DXtrade widget, you may resize as desired. Any column may be sorted in order. For example, clicking Change Percentage will list the symbols in the watch list by positive and negative change on the day. Or you may want to view your symbols in alphabetical order. The columns are fully customizable by clicking the menu icon, and you may remove or add a variety of items. You may also change the order in which they appear. You may resize individual columns and reset them with the Expand Collapse button. You may link any symbol to a chart by selecting a mutual color code. Now, clicking on any symbol will open the corresponding chart. Right-click on a symbol and you will see several options. Clicking on Buy Order opens the New Order widget and gives you the option to open a market buy or long position. Sell Order gives you the same option for a sell or short position. You may pre-configure your stop loss and take profit for one-click trading. Instrument Info displays information about that symbol, including leverage, trading hours, and overnight swaps. View Chart opens a new widget with that symbol's chart. And Create Alert does just that, and we will go into more detail in another video. You will note a lock icon on some watch lists. This means you cannot modify this watch list. You may, however, click on the name, click Duplicate to my list, and you will be able to use the same watch list, but modify it to your preferences. Now, when you right-click, you will note a wider variety of options. Clicking here will allow you to create your list. Type a new name. A new empty watch list appears, and you may populate the list by searching for the symbols you want and clicking. Click on Private to switch from one watch list to another. Or click the plus icon and add watch list to any window for ease of viewing. If you click on Buy or Sell from the watch list, the New Order widget will appear, and we will cover trading in another video. If you have one-click trading activated, these buttons will instantly open a position. Clicking the Watch List button will open a new widget, and you may use this exactly as the other one. Another great feature is the Order Ticket versus List View. You may trade from here, of course, and resize as required. Each pair has individual buttons in view, such as Pre-configure Stop Loss and Take Profit, Open a Chart, and Set an Alert. You may detach a watch list and open it in a new browser window, which is quite handy if you have more than one monitor. And reattach it here. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this DXtrade video series and your new exciting trading journey.